If you have a pool, you're gonna need chemicals. Today, we're looking at standard chemicals. Is that what you wanted? Today we're looking at standard chemicals. Why do we want to tell you about this brand? Because it's more potent and probably better value than what you're buying now. The active ingredient in this 1 pound bag of Shock is 68%. Typically you're looking at 50-55% active ingredient. Now they do have a 56% and it does come in 3-inch tabs, but if you're used to 1 pound bags of Shock, this is very potent. For the money, it is the best value that we found on the market. Another thing I love about Standard Chemicals, it ships from the state of Tennessee, and this company actually invented the 1 pound bag for Pool Shock. So if you're looking for a new brand of chemicals, you're looking for potency, and you're looking for value, check out Standard Chemicals at poolwarehouse.com.